We're on the way to the Royal de Palm Atlantis for our 10-year wedding anniversary. So this is the lobby, and we're heading to the Royal Tea Room for our afternoon tea. Check that out. Ang ganda ng lobby nila. So, we're ordering our afternoon tea desserts. And yan ang complimentary drinks. It's passion fruit with the mint and tea. Cheers, babe, for 10-year wedding anniversary. Super relaxing ng area, as in, ang ganda ng vibes. And they consist of a lot of sandwiches. Ayan. Grabe ang sarap. Especially their chocolate. Ayan, yung hot chocolate. Melted chocolate talaga siya. So hubby enjoyed his English breakfast tea. Especially the scones na super hot. They gonna serve you. Ang sarap-sarap ng scones nila. And also the lemon cake. So, hubby given me my present for 10th year anniversary. A tennis bracelet. Thanks, babe. I was really surprised kasi hindi ko akalain na bibilan niya ako ng tennis. Happy 10-year anniversary. Anniversary, my love. So, i-try nyo guys, the Royal Atlantis. Actually, parang 600 yata yung afternoon tea nila. I'm not sure.